Well, now I have another thing I'd like to show you too, which is new for this year. And we showed this at the show this year, and it's a new scraper. And you already know about the holster. This is the most efficient and safest holster on the market. You got a brass inlet there in the bottom, so the blade doesn't wear out or it doesn't go through the material. And this is made for all the scrapers, matter of fact. But this new scraper here is very unique, and I like to show you how it works. You know, when it comes to scraping windows, you have to have a scraper that have even pressure across the whole width. And the Sorbo Scraper with this new design here always have been the most efficient scraper on the market. As you can see, you can bend the blade, and that makes this blade very even on the glass. So every time you move it on the glass, it will remove the full width of the whole scraper, of the 6 inches. You don't have to go back and forth twice. And as you can see, you can also change the angles on this. So if you do pole work, you can actually stay away from the window and do it. But I like it a little straight like this. And I'm going to show you too that some people said it's not in the center. Well, the blade is in the center. So this is 3 inches to here, from here. So it's 6 inches all the way. The reason this is a little shorter here, so you can get hold of the blade and take it out. And that way you can turn the blade over. You got a 2-sided blade. And this is the Sorbo blade now. Very high quality steel. And it's carbon steel. Now the other companies, razor blades fits this scraper also. And then you just put it back like this, and you can actually offset this, and you can get behind things. If you have something in front of the window, you can get behind it and make it like an L shape. But I like to show you now how to scrape a window without messing it up. And of course, glide in your water is very important, and this is the lubricant that I developed many years ago. And also the cleaning product is the powder. These two together will clean and lubricate the window. And I like to show you what you can do with this scraper that no other scraper can do, and that is to this window is pretty rough. Let me wet it a little bit better here because it's kind of dry here. You have to wet the washer a little bit better here. And you already saw our new end tip, so I'm going to use that now. It's really cool. I clean the frame too when I clean the windows. The frame is nice. And you can put the washer towards the next window there. So with this scraper here, you can actually fan the window, as you can see. And it won't leave any water at all. Look at this. That's how efficient this scraper is. But anyway, to scrape a window without messing it up,